InstaFrame is a brand new mode that records two files at the same time. One instantly shareable flat video with no editing or reframing needed, and one full 360-degree video to go back and edit later. Tap InstaFrame mode in the 360-degree shooting mode menu and choose from a fixed view or a selfie view. Fixed view. The fixed view follows the same perspective throughout the video. You can choose between forward, back, top, and bottom views, or choose custom view and drag the screen to find the direction you want to follow. This option is ideal when the camera is mounted on a motorcycle or bike. Selfie View. Selfie View is perfect for vlogs, traveling, and other scenes. It automatically identifies and tracks the nearest subject throughout the video. You can also swipe the screen to adjust the framing. Use the mini remote to adjust the angle from a distance when filming in InstaFrame mode. Press it twice to switch between fixed and selfie view, and 3 times for a 360-degree spin or barrel roll. It will also record a full 360-degree video to revisit unexpected moments from every angle. You can check both the flat video and the 360-degree video in your camera's album.